Hi dear Libras, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Libras, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, okay? Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. Let's start. Libras, your partner's current energy right now is... Your partner's current energy right now is... Libras, Justice. It is your card, by the way. Libra, Justice is Libra card. But I feel like right now your partner is doing some kind of justice with their emotions, with their feelings, or with this connection, or whatever they are doing right now. They are seeking balance in their life. They are trying to seek balance in their life. They are trying to seek justice in their life. They are feeling like something is off in their life, okay? Something is not working out according to their point of view, or according they are feeling like there's some kind of injustice happening to them. That's why this person right now is seeking balance in their life, okay? Let me clarify the justice in their current energy. Let me see. Justice, the Devil, the Two of Wands, and the Ace of Wands. I feel like your partner right now is going through some period, some negativity, toxicity, or obsession, or possessiveness. There's certain kind of negativity that they are dealing with right now, or there's certain kind of, you can say, codependency as well in few cases. But for many of you, this person right now is going through some kind of negativity, toxicity. Either they are very possessive, or they are very obsessive, or they are right now certain. They are right now not certain about the things, about the connection with you, okay? So they have taken a decision. This person is taking a decision, okay? And they are just waiting for this decision to seek the results, you can say. And they are just waiting for a brand new life ahead. They are starting their life, or you can say restarting their life, okay? Because this person right now is trying to seek balance in their life. So this is the clarification card. Justice is clarified by the Devil. You could be dealing with a Capricorn here, and this is Two of Wands, and this is Ace of Wands. So this person is just trying to remove the negativity, toxicity, or codependency, or whatever negative there was, whatever there was negative in their environment, or you can say connection. They are just trying to remove that, okay? They have taken a decision. They have already made their mind. Might be it is just to move on, or it is just to wait for the right time, I don't know. But yes, this person is trying their best to do justice, to seek balance, and just restart their life again. This is their current energy. Libras, let's see what's your current energy. Libra, your current energy right now is... King of Pentacles. I feel like you're healing. You're right now in a healing process. You're very hurt right now, and you're trying your best to heal, to be mature and practical as much as possible, to shift your focus on the money matters and the stability matters, or on the you are just trying your best to heal from a situation, and you are just trying to focus on the money and practicality and maturity and earthy materialistic things, you can say. For most of you, I feel like you are right now going through some kind of healing process. Let me clarify the King of Pentacles in your current energy. Two of Swords, and Knight of Wands, and then Seven of Wands. I feel like you're on the crossroads. You are definitely on the crossroads. You are very passionate about something or someone, but you are cold off and detached from this person. You are behaving odd with them. You are behaving like, I don't give a shit to you. You are just standing your ground. You have a point to make, and you're just standing your ground, and you are like, yeah, okay, although I have emotions for this person, passion for this person or for this situation, but I'm going to stand my ground because this is the right thing to do. This is what you are currently doing. You are on a crossroads. Still you are on a crossroads, you're dual minded about something or someone. You are still very passionate about this thing or this someone, okay? But you're standing your own ground, you're taking your stand. You're like, okay, might be I have feelings for you, but I'm going to do whatever is correct. I'm not going to do whatever my emotions tell me to do. Anyway, Libras are ruled by the mind thing, okay, air signs. So they are going to play the mind rather than the heart. I understand. Healing process going on, thinking process going on. You are just trying to do whatever is correct, okay? Cool. Let's see what your person feels for you, their feelings for you. Five of Wands. Conflict, battle, struggle, they are feeling like whenever they talk to you, they fight with you, or this relationship is a total mess, or this connection with you is just a battle, conflict. They are feeling like they are constantly fighting with you, but this connection is not going anywhere. Constant fights, constant battles, constant negativity, constant toxicity, but they are feeling like this is not going anywhere. This is what they feel for you. Okay. Mm. Let me clarify the Five of Wands as their feelings for you. You guys are fighting a lot. I can see that. You guys are just fighting a lot. Three of Pentacles and the Page of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune. Although there are fights, they feel like they are willing to work on this connection with you. They want to give this connection another chance. They want to communicate with you, and they just want to go with the flow. They just want to go with the universal flow, okay? They are trying their best to work this connection out with you. They feel like they should. They feel like they should open up the gates of communication. They feel like they should just communicate with you, and they feel like they should just go with the flow. Wherever the universe takes you guys, they just want to go with the flow. This is what they feel, okay? Conflicts and battles, there are lots of battles and there are lots of fights that you guys are going through right now, and they feel like, yes, although this is happening, although we are fighting a lot, this person feels like they're ready to work on this connection with you, and they feel like they should connect with you, and they feel like they should see where it is going. Although right now you guys are fighting a lot, but their internal feeling is like this, okay? Cool, let me see what this person wants from you, Libras. I hope I'm visible to you. Yeah. Libras, let me see what this person wants from you. King of Pentacles is here. You could be dealing with a Taurus here, Capricorn here. Lots of earthy energies here. What this person wants from you, Knight of Swords. They want to cut out all the negativity, toxicity, and come back running to them, or go back running to them. This is what they want from you. They want you to hurry up. They want you to hurry up and take a decision and make your mind just quickly and just go to them and just start. This is what they want from you, okay? They just want you to make up your mind and be quick. Let me clarify the Knight of Swords as what they want from you. Ace of Pentacles is the Fool and the Four of Cups. Definitely this person wants to have a brand new beginning. They just want you to offer a friendship or something, and they just want to tell you that they don't want to think about the future, they don't want to think about the past, they just don't want you to go with the flow with them and restart this connection with them, and remove the confusion, remove the dissatisfaction, remove the boredom, or remove the confusing state of mind. Might be you are right now very confused regarding this particular connection with this particular person. So that's why this person wants you to rush and hurry on, because they feel like might be they will run away, or might be they will choose somebody else. I don't know what their thinking process is, but they definitely want to have a brand new beginning with you. They feel like they should not think about, they want you to not to think about the past or present or future or anything about that. Just go with the flow with them and remove this dissatisfaction or boredom or loneliness, and accept accept the connection as it is right now. They just want you to hurry up and go running towards them. Okay, cool. Or it could also mean, I feel like in this whole reading, I feel like there's certain kind of energy where they feel like you should cut out somebody from your life completely to be with them, to be with your person. Might be this person just want you to cut out somebody from your life completely. Let's see what is coming towards you till the end of October. Let's see what is coming towards you till the end of October. Knight of Wands. I feel like there's a communication coming in towards you from this person's side, and this person is coming back towards you because they are still very very passionate about you, very very passionate about this connection. I don't see love here. I do see lots of attraction, lots of passion here. I don't see any kind of love here in this whole reading. Okay, not from your side, not from their side. This is just, might be you guys have a sizzling hot chemistry, sexual chemistry or something like that, but I don't see love here. I'm really sorry. Not from your side, not from their side. Codependency kind of thing is here. Let me clarify the Knight of Wands as the outcome for you. Three of Swords and the Chariot and the Justice could be dealing with the Libra here. You are definitely heartbroken, you are definitely shattered. There is something that is not good in your energy at all. You are trying to move on. You are just trying to move on so hard, and you are feeling like, I will do justice this time. Whatever it will be, it will take. I will do justice with myself, I will do justice with my emotions. I will just move on from this connection. See, somebody is coming towards you, but you are completely heartbroken. You are trying to move on and you are trying to do justice. Could be dealing with another Libra here or Cancerian here. Do you remember your partner's current energy? It was justice. Now the outcome for you is also justice. Both of you are trying to seek balance in this connection, in this relationship. Both of you. Okay? Both of you are trying your best. The outcome says that it could be you, it could be them who's trying to move on because they are heartbroken or you are heartbroken, but somebody is coming back towards another person. Okay, somebody is going back to the another person. It could be you, it could be them. Okay, there's a potential going back here. I'm not saying reconciliation, but yes, communication here. Cool. Thank you so much, Libras, for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.